Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to charge your Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone and camera receiver. So all you need to do is simply grab your charging case, open it up, and then at the bottom, in these placeholders for the microphone and receiver, you should see these pins. So these pins is what connects the microphone and receiver to the charging case and allows them to charge. So on the microphone, look for these three pins here, and then ensure that they're aligned with the ones at the bottom and place the microphone in. Do the same thing for the second microphone, as well as the receiver. It also has three pins, so just insert it there, and then you can let them charge. So the microphones and camera receiver will have different lights depending on their current charging level. If they're showing red, it means they were close to be running out of battery, so they'll show a red color. Then you should see orange if they're halfway through their battery level, and if it's green, it means that they're fully charged. So as you can see, mine are currently shining green, which means that my microphone and camera receiver are fully charged. So if they're showing red or orange, you just want to close the case and allow them to charge. This charging case will allow you to charge for at least 2 or 3 times before you also need to charge the case as well. And to do that, you want to grab the charging cable that came with the wireless microphone. And so just unravel it. And then, once it's been unraveled, you want to connect one end to our power supply, and then the other end, you want to insert it into the back of the charging case like that. So once it's been inserted to the back of the case and to our power supply, it should start charging. So you have these indicator lights at the bottom of the charging case at the front, and these lights tell you what percentage the case is at. So as you use the charging case more and more often, these lights will keep disappearing until you only see one light, which means that now you need to charge the case. However, as you can see, all these other lights are full, except this last one, which is blinking, which means that the charging case wasn't completely charged, but it had enough charge to charge my wireless microphone and camera receiver. So use these indicator lights to guide you on when you're not going to charge your charging case. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.